First off, I start with a mixture that is 2 parts washing up liquid and 1 part shampoo. Then I dip my brushes into the mixture and swirl them around in the palm of my hand, making sure to coat the bristles in the soap. The reason I use washing up liquid and shampoo is because whilst you can buy brush cleaners, with the rate that I wash my makeup brushes, this method actually works out to be more cost effective. Then I run the water, making sure that it is not too hot, as this could ruin the brushes and cause the hairs to fall out. I work the brush back and forth on my hand to rinse the soap out. I also squeeze the brush to ensure that there is no residual soap left inside the brush hairs. Once they are all clean, I lay them flat on some kitchen paper and roll them up tightly and stand them brush side down in a clean mug so that the water drips down into the kitchen paper. Although I prefer to dry the fan brush folded up carefully in the kitchen paper and left on its side to dry. This way the brush doesn't lose its shape. Then I'll leave them to dry overnight and then they're ready to go for my next makeup adventure.